Think boosting your credit score takes months or years? Think again. Today, we're diving into 5 proven strategies to elevate your score quickly. And these aren't your typical tips. We're talking about real, actionable steps that many people overlook. Whether you want to qualify for a better loan, snag that dream apartment, or simply take control of your finances, these hacks can help you make it happen. And stay with me until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that could completely change how you think about credit. Here's a lesser-known but powerful strategy. If you've had a one-time late payment that's dragging down your score, call your lender and request a Goodwill adjustment. Explain your situation, maybe it was due to illness or an honest mistake, and ask them to remove the late payment from your report. Many lenders are willing to help, especially if you've been a good customer otherwise. This simple call could give your credit score a serious boost. Have you ever tried this? Drop a comment below and share your experience. It might inspire others. Assist us in serving you better and you'll have no regrets you did. Did you know you can turn your rent payments into a credit-boosting asset? Services like Experian Boost or RentTrack allow you to report your rent payments to the credit bureaus. If you're already paying rent on time, why not let it work in your favor? This tip is especially helpful for those with limited credit history. Even if you're outside the United States, check if similar services are available in your region to make your rent count. Many credit card issuers offer automatic credit limit increases if you're using your card responsibly. Activating this feature means your credit limit grows over time without any additional effort, reducing your credit utilization ratio in the process. This method works across most financial systems because a lower credit utilization ratio directly improves your score. Check with your issuer to see if this feature is available. It's an effortless way to climb the credit ladder. When you're tackling multiple debts, it can feel overwhelming. While the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debt first, is logical, the Snowball method provides quicker wins. Start by paying off the smallest debt first, then move on to the next. Each balance you clear builds momentum and improves your credit utilization ratio. It's a psychological win that translates to real credit improvement. Which method do you prefer, Snowball or Avalanche? Let me know in the comments. This one's gaining popularity. You can report utility payments, like electricity, water, and even your phone bill, to credit bureaus. Experian Boost, for example, allows you to link these accounts to your credit report, helping you build payment history without taking on additional debt. It's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their score quickly and sustainably. Here's a psychological trick that can stop overspending in its tracks. Freeze your credit card, literally. Put it in a block of ice in your freezer. This gives you time to reconsider impulse purchases, ensuring you stay focused on paying down balances. It's an unconventional but highly effective way to keep your credit utilization ratio low and your finances on track. Let's address something important. There are no magic fixes when it comes to credit. Be wary of services promising instant results. They often come with hidden fees or scams. The strategies we've covered today are not just quick, they're legitimate, sustainable, and proven. They're designed to empower you to take control of your finances. Whether you're improving your credit for a better loan, a new apartment, or peace of mind, these tips will help you get there. So, take action today. Let this be the start of a better financial journey. If you found this video helpful, politely hit the like button, subscribe for more actionable tips, and share this video with someone who might need it. Together, we can master our credit scores and financial goals. But till then, stay sparked till I see you in the next video with more from the best of what you love. Don't miss my next video. Click here for more financial strategies that work.